Hi, welcome to Counseling 116, Transfer Success Educational Planning. My name is Kristen Perrone. I'm your instructor and also a counselor at College of Marin. This class is short. It's only 6 weeks. We will focus specifically on your UC application, and it's most appropriate for students to take this class when they're going to be applying. So applications due November 30th. This class, we are going to work specifically on writing your 4 personal insight question responses for the UC application. By the end of these 6 weeks, you'll have an edited, polished version of all 4 of your PIQ drafts. In addition to writing your PIQs, we're going to focus on some information related to the application cycle for this application period. If you're not applying to transfer right now for the fall, it's more appropriate for you to take this class later on during the time in which you're actually filling out your applications. So it is a short class. It is a lot of work because you are writing 2 drafts of each of the PIQs. So you'll write a first draft, get some feedback, edit, and submit a final draft. And that ultimately will be the one that you'll use on your UC application. This class will have 3 live mandatory Zoom sessions. They're every other week. We have our first class this week, and then the alternating weeks when we don't have class, I will be available for office hours. Same time, same place. All the links for the Zooms are available in our Canvas class. So check out the modules. They're also on the main page, on the home page of our class. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. The Canvas inbox is the best way to communicate with me. And of course, I'm available for one-on-one appointments in the counseling department as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you all. This is one of my favorite classes to teach because I really feel honored to read your PIQs. They're very personal and you share a lot of really important information with me and ultimately with the UC admissions team. So I'm excited to meet you all. Let's get started. I will see you this week in class and let's get to work.